In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell something in systeme.io and create an order form or a checkout page step by step. So you're going to go to the funnel that you're going to use. In this case, this is the funnel I'm using, and I'm going to pretend you have no templates, no nothing. I'm just going to go from scratch. I'm going to click on create step. I'm going to give my order form a name. So first of all, you see these different types of pages. You're going to go and choose the order form. That's the one you're actually going to collect credit card payments from. So in this case, I'm going to call this PDF PLR resale. And then I'm going to click on save, and now I'm going to have a bunch of different templates right here. Now, to make my life a little bit easier, I'm just going to go to one that I kind of usually like to use, and I'm going to go with this one. Now what I'm going to do is I need to do a number of things. I need to choose what digital product I want to give people access to. In my case, I'm giving people access to this course. Now, this course, I'm giving them access only to this particular module. So I'm going to have additional modules. For example, I'm going to give this random name, like so, and I'm gonna create another module, another PLR module, something, just for demonstration purposes. And then I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna choose resources, I'm gonna select a resource, I'm gonna choose a course. This course is going to be, so here's the product, and then I'm going to now choose the access level. In this case, it's gonna be partial access, and they're gonna get just this one, which is the systeme.io PLR PDF lead magnet funnel. They're gonna get lifetime access. I'm gonna leave this blank, but you'll see that they won't get access to this. They'll only get access to this. Then I'm gonna choose a pricing plan. In this case, I'm going to create a new one. So I'm gonna call this systeme.io PLR launch checklist, like so. Because I can only have certain amount of characters, I have to keep this one short. And then I'm going to make this a one-time payment. It's going to be $7. Click on save. Click on save. Funnel settings, it's already around PLR, which is the right one. System PLR, PDF PLR. There you go. It's all very meta. All right, and I will also do 50% commission on this in case people want to promote it. I don't mind. This is what the sales page looks like right now. We're going to customize all of that in a second. Actually, looking at all this now, I actually don't like it. So we might change that bit. No, it's okay. We'll see. Okay, so that's that. And go on edit. Okay, so I got to give this a good title. So what they're getting, let me just grab a thing here. And then I actually have a picture for that. So I'll put this here, like so, select file. Yeah, that's the image. Like so, okay. Now I like to use a content box. I think it's a better way to do it. So I'm gonna delete this right here. Put this in the image. Change these to pop-ins. Like so. Hard shadow. No border. Okay. We'll make this a bit bigger. Actually, no, this is good the way it is. Let's make this much smaller. Yeah, that's much better. And in this, I'm going to try and make it so it's center, like so. Make this some bold. Okay, that's that. Enjoy the PLR. Get access to use the same PDF as a lead magnet and use it to build a list and create a complete list building funnel to sell your own systeme.io PLR. Yeah, something like that. Let's duplicate this. We're gonna delete this part. I'm gonna delete this part from here. Now we can change the text. This needs to be Poppins. Everything needs to be Poppins. Okay, and we'll change that to Poppins. Change that to Poppins. Be bold. It also doesn't need to be this big. So let's make this 40. Make this 50. Let's delete this. And then fill in the details. Yep, that's good. Now, I don't like having so many freaking questions. I don't need their phone number, for example. And I don't need any of these details either. Delete all of that. Put this here. Billing details, and here's what you get. Now, there's just one thing that has to be ticked, and this one will say, I understand there are no refunds due to the nature of this digital product. Okay, so that's that. Actually, I kind of like the gold, to be honest. It's kind of cool. It's not really my brand, but it's okay. No big deal. If I'm gonna do the gold, might as well make the page kind of goldish. So grab here, go here, and change this as well. Remove the system IO branding. Change this. What you get, Poppins. And I always like to have an order bump, so grab my beginner's guide to email marketing for just $5 extra, available. You will learn, and then let's change the font. Put some bullets of what they're gonna learn. And let's grab around link.email guide. Let's grab some bullets. Now let's see what this looks like. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna exit from this page now. Now I gotta configure the order bump. So the order bump, resources. Beginner's got email marketing, give them full access, and then price plans. So I gotta create a new one. Gotta make sure you save. Alright, so this is all set up. let's see what this looks like on this page. Let's just add this step. Enjoy the PDF launch checklist. Get access to use the same PDF as a lead magnet and use it to build a list, not an list. If we're gonna go consistent, might as well. Okay, that's good. Okay, so that's good. Good. Let's change this so the background is not that. Like so. Alright, this is the order form. Fairly happy with it. Cool. This is a complete order form done from A to Z. Now the only thing that needs to happen now is there always has to be a thank you page. So in this case, I'm just going to duplicate this one. Okay, that's that. Let's look what I had before. Congratulations. The access to your course. I am also gonna add an order bump, but I'm not gonna do it in this video because I gotta settle that up still, but I'll show you how to do that as well in the next video, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be really easy for me actually because I already have the upsell page set up elsewhere, so I might just do it now just so you can see how I do it. In case you took up my membership one-time offer, you will also receive additional emails with instructions on that upgrade. Okay, so that's that. Okay, this is what it will look like. There you go. Now, this is what this order form looks like. And now the last thing I need to do is to just add the upsell, basically. So the upsell is actually really easy for me because I already have that upsell in other funnels. So this is going to be a good little tip for you. So let me just show you. So I'm going to go to landing page in a day, SLO. There we go. Go here, and you'll see I have the upgrade here. I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to move this over to this one. So you see with this page, but is now gone. So if I go back to this funnel, you see that I duplicated this page, but it's now gone. I'm gonna go back to my funnel that I was setting up. Not this one, my bad. This one. And then you'll notice that this template, this upsell is now being added, right? Let's change the title to templates and guides. Okay, now a couple of things. So first of all, I like to be really, I'm a bit pedantic like that, to be honest, around PLR purchase. And I like, this needs to be not just any thank you page, it's got to be the thank you page like this one. So you'll notice that this is just a standard thank you page, this is an opt-in thank you page. It's not going to make a huge difference, I just like to be very specific with what I do, just because, you know, I don't know, I like to hold that standard personally. So that's just me. I'm going to delete what's here. gonna go here, go to this funnel, and I'm going to save this. And then I can go back to this blank page, go to blocks, my blocks, here we go, done. Now I can delete the opt-in thank you because it's not actually an opt-in thank you. That way for me it's just very clear and exactly how things are supposed to go. Order form, upsell, thank you page. It's exactly the process. Now on this one, let me just have a look that I'm happy with this upsell page. Yeah, okay, that's good. And this is the PLR purchase. I like to make this thank you page like very complicated. It's just how I do it. Okay, if you have 50% commission on that, that's fine. So now, here's how the funnel looks. They get that. See if they add, they'll get that as well. They get access to the PLR course, which is this particular module, for $7. And then there's an order bump for the beginner's guide to email marketing. Let me add another tag as well. Email guide buyer. So I like things to be tagged. I gotta create a tag for this one as well. So let's do that. SIO PLR launch PDF PLR. It's very long and meta. Anyway, let's refresh. Tag PLR. This one. Now the last thing for this is the automation rules. So I gotta give an email once they make a purchase. So the email is gonna be really freaking good because PLR, hey there, first name. Congratulations on your investment of this digital product. You are getting landing page template, thank you page template, done for you lead magnet, all relating to your systeme.io PLR package. This will add a ton of value to your existing PLR package and will add more value to your customers. You can always go to the members area through this link, around.link/login. By the way, what you just invested in, you can also promote as an affiliate if you wish and earn 50% commission on. Here is your affiliate link. And then this is the order form. And then I need to grab this part like so and add their affiliate link. Here you go. Okay, so that's that. Let's make this text bigger. All right, I think that's pretty much everything. We make sure the automation rules here are set up. ECT buyer, access, annual 77. That's the upsell. Let's make this 50%. Make this 50%? No, it's gonna be 20 for now at least. Okay, Cool. So that's it. That's how you set up a checkout page. Now, one thing that I do recommend you do is always get somebody to test it. So I'm creating this product because somebody actually asked me to buy it. So I'm gonna tell them, hey, could you buy it? And let me know if you have any feedback to make sure that it's actually all working properly. So I'm gonna do that right now, and hopefully it's all going well. And that's about it. I'll be able to see their purchase and all that here. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you want to see other tutorials on Systeme.io, leave a comment below with any questions you might have. Or if you enjoyed this particular tutorial, leave a comment with the word value. And somewhere around here, I will leave additional tutorials for my playlist. And if you want additional tech support questions, anything like that, go to run.link/group. That's my Facebook group as well for Systeme.io customers. So that's about it. Thanks a lot. I'll speak to you soon.